Hi, my name's Colin and I'm the owner of DC Jap Automotive. We started DC Jap back in 2013, just importing parts in from Japan. And yeah, people just kept asking us for more products, and then we started DC Jap Automotive and became what it become today. DC Jap's a bit different to other workshops. All we do is Subaru, so we concentrate on one make of car. All the parts we sell in our showroom, online store, is all dedicated to Subaru parts. Anything from OEM to aftermarket, suspension, brakes, performance parts, and everything in between. Street car to race car, we just do it all under one roof. There's 3 of us that work at DC Jap. Sarah, who works inside the showroom, does all our packing, online content, phone calls, emails. Every time you call the shop, you'll most probably speak to her. Then there's Brett. He's our main mechanic here. Does all our mechanical work, suspension, brakes, performance parts. So he's the main man that will be working on your car. And then you have myself. I run in between the workshop and the showroom. So yeah, you can catch me in the showroom, workshop, emails, phone calls, and everywhere in between the shop. I run around everywhere. Our time attack car runs all the Whiteline bushes and sway bars. Using the Whiteline products, the bushes and the sway bars, has led us to balance the suspension out, with body roll, just more stiffness to the car. What we were chasing, their sway bars, they're all adjustable, so it allows us to fine tune the car to where we want it to be at any track we go to. Yeah, and of course the bushes, more stiffer. Anything to make the car stiffer will make the car handle a lot better, especially on the racetrack. Yeah, a lot more fine tuning is allowed with the bushes and sway bar kits. I would say the most popular Whiteline products for the Subaru community is the sway bar kits and also their bump steer kits, which is their board joints and tie rod ends. The sway bar kits for your everyday driver allows the car to sit a lot more flatter around corners, especially when you're taking your car for a bit of fun, national park runs, Old Pacific Highway runs. The board joints and tie rods, bump steer kits, when people lower their cars, they always complain about it throws them around when they hit a bump, when they're going straight. The bump steer kits corrects that, so it takes the bumps and allows you to keep going straight. With our time attack car, we always push it to the limits. So anything that lets go, we always fix. This year at the 2024 World Time Attack, we had an engine failure, and the team fought hard, and we did an engine swap overnight. Got the car back on the grid on Saturday and ran a record-breaking lap the next day. So yeah, it happens running the car so hard, and we just fix it. Like, we have to get the car back on the grid to race and win. Yep, so the last shootout lap, it was a very close race this year. Yeah, the team was on edge when we were at the last shootout lap, and once we knew we had it in the bag, we were already cheering before Trent even drove the last lap. So me on the mic to Trent, I said, the track's all yours, go and have some fun and lay down a quick lap, which he did. And as he came back in, yeah, we were all high-fiving each other, giving everyone's hugs, and Trent jumped on the roof and yeah, celebrated as he should. 2-time winners at World Time Attack Challenge.
Awesome! 2 in a row!
We get a lot of customers coming in, either street car or cars that they go to the track complaining about a lot of understeer or oversteer, whichever way how they drive their cars. To fix oversteer, understeer, we always add some sway bars to the car. Whiteline sway bars, as they're adjustable, we'll be able to basically adjust the car with the sway bars to reduce or literally remove understeer and oversteer depending on how the car drives. For a street car, people always complain about how much sway. A re-sway bar fixes that instantly. At least 50% reduce in the amount of sway in the car. Customers love that. They always come back and go, the Whiteline sway bar kit has improved the car dramatically.